now. It might be a nice night to actually go out to see a movie,
right?
Instead of, staying at home in front of the fireplace.
Yeah, I mean, small chance of some isolated showers still.
Okay.
We've had a couple already in Calgary out there and outside of Calgary, and that we have the potential for the next couple of hours, and then that should really die out, and then we're done with the system fully. But check this out. This is the first time all week that we see this much sunshine, I believe. 11 degrees is the high today, also the current temperature. The winds are a lot calmer as well.
But we've got a nice weekend ahead.
We do. We have, if you want to see some sunshine, you want some warm weather.
I do.
I know. I think a lot of people need a little bit of vitamin D right now, considering it's been a pretty wet, cold, darker week. Here's your Capital Chef Sky Cam. Guess what? Look at that blue sky that we've been getting a little bit of here and there today. We've also had some pockets of showers, and we will continue to have some pockets of showers over these next couple hours before that completely dies out for later this evening. Temperatures back in the double digits for most communities, so that's a big step for us considering this week. 12 right now in Brooks, 10 in Medicine Hat, 9 in Milk River, 10 in Banff, and 11 in Calgary. So that's our daytime high. You can see those little pockets of showers that have developed really south of Red Deer, down the QE2, down Highway 2, and even starting to make its way east along the Trans-Canada towards the Brooks area. And these are isolated pockets, so it's just really hit and miss for some communities in some areas, and we're also looking at these breaks. So it's not really any sort of huge accumulation from this, but a couple raindrops certainly possible as we go through these next couple hours for many communities in the south, especially along the highway. When we look at the future cast and we look at this next stretch of about 5 to 7 days, I'm going to advance this. You can see tomorrow mainly clear. You can see clouds rolling in, especially for Sunday. We'll notice Sunday will be mostly cloudy, and then Sunday we get the chance of that late day shower development. But check this out. This is Monday, and this is the next system that will be rolling in. Now, it looks like it will be more impactful in the south end, or in the east end, where we could see 30, 40, even 50 millimeters of rain. Now, it is a little early to tell, but we are looking at quite a soaking for all of southern Alberta with this system Monday through Thursday. And in Calgary, we'll see some of this and get some rain, which will be heavy at times next week, and it will cool temperatures down a little bit, but it looks mainly like a rain event, not like this last system where we had wet snow and rain and accumulation and all that stuff. Just to give you a better idea of timeline here, as we go through tomorrow, we are looking at sunshine for the morning hours. We'll notice some clouds, though, increasing into southern Alberta in the afternoon hours, and by the supper hours, just some cloudy periods really is what you can expect. Pretty stable for tomorrow and warm. And then on Sunday, not quite as warm, a little unstable, which is why later in the day we get into the potential of some isolated showers once again. And then here's that system rolling in for Monday. That will stick around for Monday to Thursday of next week. So here you go. Capital Chef 5-day forecast looks like this. 14 for tomorrow with some sunshine. Enjoy it because then it really gets cooler from there. 12 degrees for Sunday, late day showers, and then 2 to 4 millimeters of rain for Calgary on Monday, 6 to 12 possible on Tuesday, and then another couple possible on Wednesday.
Okay, thanks. Weather delightful?
Yes. Saturday. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Sunday, it gets a little cooler. Clouds roll in a little bit.
Is out. Danielle joins us now. We have to enjoy this while we can.
We do, because only one day looks bright and warm for this weekend, and that's Saturday. So it's our best chance of that outdoor weather that we've all been craving since it's been of a cold, dark, wet week. 11 degrees is our current temperature, so we got into the double digits today. So temperatures are starting to climb. It is raining in parts of the city, and in some parts it's really just virga, which is rain falling but evaporating before it actually hits the ground. All right, when we look at what's happening over this next little while here, isolated showers on and off possible through the evening hours, and then that dies out. Tomorrow morning, lots of sunshine. It will cloud over after 2 p.m. and we're looking at a high of 14. So we have a big system on the way for next week. We'll talk about that in just a little bit. Tara?
Thank you, Danielle.
Sunday, not as stable. Mostly cloudy for the day, so not a whole lot of sunshine expected. And then we have these pockets of showers that will move in. So for Calgary, we're looking at those showers later in the day. Once again, we have that potential, but the big news here is the system that rolls in next week. So on Monday is when we're getting this soaker system, so a good amount of rain. Now, temperatures will be warm enough for rain for the most part, so when you compare it to the last system, no wet snow for the most part, just a lot of rain. Up to 20 millimeters is possible in Calgary. And then you can see for the eastern part of southern Alberta, that's where we could get the heaviest amount of rain, and this is a longer multi-day event. So Monday through Thursday is where that's possible, and you can see temperatures will cool as well. So your Capital Chef 5-day forecast, sunshine for Saturday, mostly cloudy with late day instability on Sunday, and then that system moves in 2 to 4 millimeters on Monday, 6 to 12 millimeters on Tuesday, and 1 to 2 on Wednesday, Tara. Oh, here's the Skywatch camera and our Capital Chef Skywatch camera. And we've had more sunshine today than we've seen for a lot of this week. We've had warmer temperatures. We got into the double digits today. And we do have isolated pockets of showers right now. That's possible for the next couple hours, and then things quiet down and set us up for a nice dry Saturday. Currently, we are sitting at 11 degrees. That's also our daytime high, which is just below the normal of 15 and well below the record of 26.7. And look how close we are to 15 hours of daylight. It would actually be great to have enough sunshine out there to actually see that much daylight hours. And you know what? Tomorrow looks close to that anyway. It will be sunny for the morning hours and part of the afternoon hours. At this point, we have these pockets of isolated showers south of Red Deer, down QE2, Calgary, and over along the Trans-Canada. This is possible for the next couple of hours, and then things will stabilize as we go into tomorrow. So for the future cast, this is a shot of tomorrow morning. Lots of sunshine out there for southern Alberta. And then we'll notice the clouds increasing, especially for the foothills and through Calgary and basically along Highway 2 after about 2 in the afternoon. Those clouds will really start to push their way in. But other than that, nothing really to worry about for tomorrow. Nice day, a warm day. We'll get into the teens even. Sunday will be mainly cloudy, so not as bright. And then later in the day, we have that potential for some showers in Calgary as well. But the main soaker system will arrive on Monday. So for Calgary, late in the morning hours is when it will start to push in. 20 plus millimeters possible in Calgary with this system that will be a multi-day event lasting until almost Thursday. And you can see in the southeastern part of the province, that's where we're looking at the most amount of rainfall. So it will be windy as well by Monday. You can see all the rain arriving earlier in Banff Sunday and Monday, but temperatures will be warm enough to be mainly rain, as you can see, for Monday. As you can see, for all of these communities, our best chance of sunshine is for tomorrow. Capital Chev's 7-day trend looks like this. Will stay warm enough that it will be a rain event next week, and even for the weekend, we're looking at remaining in those double digits. Tara?
Thank you, Danielle. Hundreds of Calgary